APIs are built for machines, but products are built for people. In today's devlog, we're upgrading the front end of our web app. Last week, we finally wired the backend API into our front end. We were able to pull the data, but let's be honest, it wasn't easily readable. What we had was the plumbing. Today, we're putting up the drywall and painting the house. Raw JSON is powerful for integrations, but it's not human friendly. You have to already have an idea of the structure of the data and know what you're looking for to make sense of it. So our goal is to take that data and turn it into something that people can make sense of from a glance. To do that, I'm building visualizer components. For each component, a visualizer uses a table-based format, color to distinguish key identifiers, and built-in filtering. You'll be able to filter by high-level keys and by using a search bar. In some cases, you'll even be able to expand rows to see more verbose data if needed. Our priority here isn't making a flashy UI, it's making the data digestible. For this devlog, we'll focus on two main asset types, domains and URLs, and we'll save IPs for later. On the domain side, we have three main visualizers. First, DNS. Each record gets its own row. We highlight TTL in its own column, and we structure the value column differently depending on the record type, because an A record and an MX record tell completely different stories. Next is SSL. This follows a similar layout, but each row is tailored to certificate metadata, issuer, validity, expiration, so you can understand TLS coverage quickly without digging. Then email. This one's trickier since SPF, DMARC, and DKIM all live inside text records. So instead of dumping strings, we parse them, extract meaning, and structure each row around what matters for that protocol. On the URL side, we also have three visualizers. The default URL view shows basics of the request and the response, with special care around the response headers because that's where some important signals live. Then we have security headers. This is where visual indicators really shine. The combination of color and summaries make it immediately obvious what's missing, what's present, and what needs attention. And finally, the redirect chain. Here, the visuals show each hop clearly with indicators for redirects and a final summary so you always know where the URL ends up. The big idea across all of this is consistency. That's the difference between a demo and a real product. And step by step, that's what Asset Enrich is becoming. I'll see you in the next devlog.